Hey everyone, welcome to My Fitness. I am Coach Junie of the Stay Fit Cebu. Join me today for a calisthenics workout using only your body weight. You can do it at home or at the gym or any place where you have a pull-up bar where you can use to do the calisthenics workout. So our workout today is going to consist of 3 parts. It's going to be for the core workout. So we work on the core, serves as a good warm-up as well. After that, we're going to do a quick warm-up for the full body routine, which we're going to do after. So come and join me, and let's go sweat.
First part of today's workout is going to be the core workout. We're going to be doing 3 rounds of 4 movements. First movement is going to be 30 seconds mountain climbers, followed by 15 leg raises. Then we go straight to 30 flutter kicks, and then we go to 30 Russian twists. Okay, mountain climbers, 30 seconds. I don't want you to go too fast or too slow. Just right. Make sure you feel your core engaged and activated while doing this workout. Control your movement. Don't just go straight and fast, but make sure you control movements at all times. Our routine today is going to be hitting the whole core, but most especially the lower core, which is the hardest to form. After the mountain climbers, you're going to be resting around 10 seconds and then go straight to the leg raises. Make sure once again you activate your core. So you lift your head, don't put your head on the ground. Make sure that it's activating especially your upper core. And then we work your lower core with that one. Leg raises, controlled, not too fast. Control the lowering of your legs and then the rising. 90 degrees. And do not touch your legs on the floor because we want to avoid you resting your legs while doing this movement. It's always about time under tension. After leg raises, we're going to have a short pause around 10 seconds. Then go straight to flutter kicks. This is another good workout to hit especially the lower part of your core. Once again, it's controlled reps. Don't go too fast or too slow as long as it's controlled. 30 flutter kicks, that's 15 each side. Then rest for a short period, around 10 seconds, and go straight to Russian twist. You can do this workout with weights, kettlebells or dumbbells or plates, but for today we're just doing body weight movements. So this is 30 Russian twist. Make sure you lift your feet and upper body from the ground. Now we rest 1 minute before we start the second round. Make sure before you start the second round that you fully recover, but at this point you're gonna feel your heart rate starting to rise. That's always a good sign. Okay, now getting ready to start with the second round. Let's go. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Continue the controlled reps. This is also a good workout, even for the shoulders, stability and strength wise. To start with the second round. Let's go. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Continue the controlled reps. This is also a good workout, even for the shoulders, stability and strength wise. Always remember mind to muscle connection in whatever movement you do to have better results. Now, rest for 10 seconds. Then go back to 15 leg raises. Make sure you feel the crunch in your core. Feel more especially the lower part of your core working. That is the most stubborn part of the abdominal area, the hardest one to shred. So we want to work on that one as often as we can. Rest for 10 seconds. And then we go straight to the flutter kicks. This is one of my favorite lower ab workouts. But as you hit the lower part, it also engages the upper part of your core. So it's a good whole core workout. After that one, we go to 30 Russian twist. Touch the floor each side. That's 15 each side. Russian twist also works on your obliques to give you a strong overall core, and not just aesthetic wise, but this will also give you the nice cut on the sides. Now 2 rounds down, 1 more round to go. Core is a very important part of working out or training. If you have a strong core, it's easier to build strength for the rest of your muscles of your body. So that's why we're starting this one, to make sure we hit the core. Get strong in the core, you get strong overall. Okay, last round, let's go. 30 seconds mountain climbers. At this point, heart is raising, sweat is flowing. So it feels like a good workout. But remember, we're still at the first part of today's workout. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go, guys. Okay, last round, let's go. 30 seconds mountain climbers. At this point, heart is raising, sweat is flowing. So it feels like a good workout. But remember, we're still at the first part of today's workout. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go, guys. 3 more movements to go before we get some rest. Okay, now straight to 15 leg raises. Controlled reps. 15. While doing this workout, you are also going to feel even the upper part of your core, not just the lower part, because of the activation of the whole core as you lift your head. Feel your core contract every time, every rep. 10 seconds pause. Now we go to flutter kicks. 2 more movements, guys. Come on. Controlled reps on the flutter kicks. Feel your core move. Rest. And then now, time to do the last movement for our first part of the workout today for the core workouts. Russian twist. Come on, last reps. Make it count, guys. And we are done for the core workout. Now give yourselves 3 minutes to 5 minutes rest before we start the full body routine. So now we go to the next part of our workout. Before we go to our full body routine for today's workout, we're going to be doing a quick warm-up. This is to ensure that our muscles and tendons are healthy and strong to avoid injuries. So we're going to be doing 3 rounds of 5 push-ups, 3 scapula pulls, and 5 jumping squats. Let's start, guys. So 5 push-ups, controlled reps. Then we go straight to the scapula pulls. This is a good preventive measure of injury to activate your lats properly and your pulling muscles. And let's go to the jumping squats. We're doing a full body warm-up since we're going to be doing a full body routine. Rest around 30 seconds and then go 2 more rounds. Okay, 5 more push-ups. Always make sure to do a few reps before doing big numbers. Back up to the bar. This workout is good for your rotator cuff as well. And then for the legs, we'll be doing some explosive movements later to make sure we activate everything. 30 seconds rest. And last round for the warm-up. Okay, 5 more reps for the warm-up push-ups. You should be able to warm up your pushing muscles properly. Then one more time, 3 scapula pulls. Hang around 3 to 5 seconds before you do the pulls for even more activation and warm-up. Last part of the warm-up, 5 jumping squats. Alright, that ends our quick 3-round warm-up. After this, we're gonna be resting 3 minutes, and then we're gonna start the full body workout routine for today. So hang, then explode up all the way and push up. There you go. 1 rep, 2, there. Pull, then push. Pull, push. You pull yourself up and then push. That's 5 reps. After each movement that we do today, you can rest between 10 to 30 seconds before you go to the next movement. Next movement is going to be the bar dips. This is a very good pushing workout. It involves your tricep, your shoulders, and your chest. Alright, 15 reps of bar dips. So in order for you to go up there, we're going to do another muscle up. And once we're on top, we're going to be doing straight bar dips. Make sure you control your reps. After 15 reps, you're going to rest another 10 to 30 seconds before we go to the next movement. After the pushing movement, we now go to the pulling movement to hit our back muscles and our biceps. Here we go for 8 pull-ups. Hang on the bar, full range of motion, control your reps. Make sure it's chin over the bar. Doing some upper body work, now we go to a lower body work for a complete body workout. Okay, now after the 8 pull-ups, we're going to be doing 15 air squats. Let's go. Okay, so make sure you control your reps going down, 90 degree, down, and then up. If you can break 90, it's even better. Just make sure to control your reps at all times. Do the dips now. This is one of the most underrated but one of the best pushing workouts ever. The dips will hit your chest, your triceps, and shoulders if done properly. So 15 reps on the dips. Lean forward a bit to hit your chest, but not too much. Now we go to another pulling movement. This one, instead of the pull-ups, we're going to be doing chin-ups. This is more activation on the bicep, but still hits our back muscles at the same time. So palms facing you, then give me 8 reps. Always make sure, full range of motion, chin over the bar, lock out. Now we go to another leg movement. It's one of my favorite bodyweight movement workout. This is walking lunges. We'll be doing 20 alternating lunges, 10 each side. Make sure to control your reps. Knees not too far over your toes. Don't rush the movement. Usually you can do weights with this one. You can be holding kettlebells or dumbbells or plates or even barbells while doing this movement. But today, it's all purely body weight exercises. So just body weight lunges. So make sure you control your reps since we are doing body weights only. It's the most underrated but most useful exercise in my opinion. We're going to be doing 20 push-ups. And if you know, push-ups are going to be hitting the chest, the shoulders, and of course the triceps. Make sure when you do the reps, control the reps. Don't just bang in there and do it fast. Make sure there's mind to muscle connection. Activate your triceps, your chest, your shoulders while doing this movement. This time we're going to be doing inverted rows. Different variations for this one. You can put your feet on the ground, but for me here, I'm putting my feet on the opposite bar to make it a little more challenging and to hit the deeper parts of my back. 10 repetitions for this one. Now for the final movement of our full body routine for today, it's going to be 10 box jumps. This is an explosive movement for our legs and it activates the whole body as well. Box jump, I'm using a 24-inch box. You can use a lower box or a higher box depending on your level or comfort. I'm using a 24-inch. Make sure you go down, explode up, and then stand up straight before you step down. Okay, so that is one round for the full body workout routine. We're going to be doing this routine 3 or 4 times for a complete and great workout for today. Just one round alone kicks in and makes you feel good. How much more if you do 3 or 4 more times depending on your level. Once again guys, your rest period is going to be 10 to 30 seconds between movements. If you are in a higher level, you can decrease the rest. If you are in a lower level, you can increase the rest a bit. But make sure, try not to go over 30 seconds to have a good pump and not just muscle and strength building, but as well as cardiovascular workout. So rest between 2 to 3 minutes and then let's start again 2, 3, 4 more times to give this day a great workout.
That concludes our workout for today. Thank you for joining me once again. Hopefully you had a great time. I had a great time working out with you guys. Once again, Stay Fit Cebu would like to be part of your fitness journey, especially now that it's pandemic. We offer different kinds of programming for each and every one of you. We offer functional bodybuilding, functional fitness, calisthenics, all body weights, Olympic weightlifting. If you want some personalized program, we also do. So please follow our social media, Stay Fit Cebu, both in Facebook and in Instagram. If you want to follow me also, that's Junie Spaniard in Instagram, JUNIESPANYARD. You can direct message any of those accounts for any of your queries. We'll be very glad to answer. Once again, this is Coach Junie from the Stay Fit Cebu. Thank you for joining me in my fitness. Once again, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fit. See you again next week.